Hi guys! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. For today's episode, it's Mommy and Nina Day. At ayan nga po, dinala ko siya sa isa sa mga store dito sa India. At nagulat ako sa kanilang mga products guys. Ang gaganda. First. I need to cut your hair bun again here.
Six persons only, but we're only two.
See what they have. I was here and I got you something. See? I got the dress here and this is super nice. Let me go see this ano. Ang ganda nito. Sayang hindi ka nasama si Cory. Ito, I like this one. Ay, ang ganda nito. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Okay. Ang ganda. Ito na naman ang ate nyo. Ano na naman. Ang ganda nito, oh. 10,000. I don't know. Ang ganda. Baka gusto ni Cory. Come. They have it here. This is where Mommy bought some. This is where I got some of my teacup. Ang ganda nito, oh. Ang ganda
You
nito.
want to buy it?
Yeah, I like it too. But let's see. Come.
I want some mugs.
This is where beautiful. They changed the location. They changed the style. Organic food. Yeah, they changed it. But I bring Zio Vittorio. Yeah, we did shopping here.
For
Ang
what?
ganda. Siyempre, pagpapasok, doon tayo sa 50%. Ha! Siyempre, mahal kaya dito. Ganda naman. Laki kasi ng pot ko, hindi kasya doon. Ito, ang ganda, oh. Ito, extra small. This one is, what size? Medium. Ang ganda, oh. Green talaga. Green kung green. This is medium. Ang atin nyo ay large. Oh. This is large. Oh, meron pa silang size ko. Ang gaganda, oh. Ang ganda nito. Anong size to? What size? Large. Ang ganda, oh. Nina, look, it's so pretty. Yeah. 40% off. Magkano? So, $199 only. 40% off pa to. Kunin ko na. Ganda. Dito ako bumibili ng mga duster ko kasi magaganda talaga yung quality nila. Pang-anuhan talaga to eh. Oh, tulad dito. Oh, magkano to? Tignan natin. 50% off eh. 2,991. Ang ganda oh. Ang ganda. Talaga ako namimili. Oh, large. Large siya. Large siya. Parang maganda siya. Hi, Auntie! Maganda ba, Nina? You think Mommy look good on this? Yeah? Large. And then tong yellow. Ganda. Auntie. Thank you. Put it in the front, okay? Thank you. Come on, Nina. Let's go look. Here. Right here, Serena. Naka-jackpot ako dun, guys. Ang mahal-mahal nun. Naka-jackpot ako. Kaya nagpupunta ako dito. Ay, Nina, look oh. It's so pretty. Nina? Do you like it? Or you want to choose? Which one you like? Come, come. Go here in the mirror. Try. It's Mommy and Nina. Ganda. Huh? You like that colors? Huh? You like the color, baby? Yes? Okay. Ang dami dito. Ito yung binili ko ng isang araw. Auntie, what age is this? What size? For what age? Wait, Nina.
Age?
What age? Look, look. I want extra longer.
8 to 10 years.
8? Okay. And 4,199. Okay. Nina, you like this?
Is
Nina,
it expensive though?
it's 4,099. No discount?
No.
That's regular, huh? Magsisale pa yan, guys. Where is sale? Where is your sale?
Kids ka.
No sale on kids.
But that looks like a kid one.
I like it.
But those are kids, Mom.
Auntie, you have this 7 to 8. 7 to 8, please.
So I don't get fat. Or skinny.
Ang dami dito, nakakatuwa. Yung India talaga, ang dami. Ang daming magaganda dito.
I think so. Steva, they have... Sa kanila din pala to. Honey. Ang dami nila cumin, mustard. They have seed.
Yeah.
Chia seed. I'm looking for chia seed.
Quinoa.
Mommy, you can see what we turned to make, but we need chia.
Tulsi tummy, moringa, hibiscus. Dito ako bumili ng mga pasalubong ko sa aking mga in-laws. Ang dami nila. Pomegranate. Meron sila. Ito oh. Masala black tea. Nina, I'll give it to them. Ito pa. Ayan oh, guys. Tingnan mo. Nina. Ayan oh, ito. Ganda. Drawing paint relief. Spirulina. Ang dami nila. Neem. Women well-being. Spirulina. Turmeric. Beautiful skin. Ito oh. Ito. Ganda nito oh, sa mga ano, weight balance, sugar balance, Shatabari.
Mommy, I want to buy one for us.
That's us. That's us. Moringa, Kasha Cambodia, improves fat metabolism. Arjuna, cardiac Giloy, ang dami nila dito. Ang dami talaga. Anywhere, Nina, you're doing split. Come on, let's go. Silly. Anywhere you go split.
No, I don't.
One more. Can I see? Noah. Wait, leave your arms. Oh, she. You're silly. Okay. Guys, so ganito. Ay, ang ganda. Ito yung magandang pangregalo. Healthy conscious. Ayan. Uuwian ko yung aking mga organic India. Gift box. Dito pala talaga. Nimili. Isa. Ito, hair region. Arnica, oh. Ang dami nilang
Still smells so good.
ang daming product ng India.
Can we buy one more?
No, only one. Ayan o. Ayan o.
Smells so good.
Ayan o.
Smells so good though.
Nina, you want to try this?
Can I smell it?
No, 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 no. Hold on. Wait, wait, wait. You like it? Oh, it's a bar cabinet where you put all the bottles and stuff. It's really nice.
Yeah, this is like a snack
Yeah.
cabinet.
You put all the stuff in here.
The design is
Yeah. Baya, how much is this one?
It's 39.
39.
Yes, ma'am.
Nakaka-amaze talaga ang mga product ng India, guys. Sobrang gaganda. O ayan guys, sana po nag-enjoy kayo for today's episode. Thanks for watching. Ciao! Arrivederci!